Triangle. This shape is called triangle. Square. This shape is called square. Rhombus. This shape is called rhombus. Pentagon. This shape is called pentagon. Hexagon. This shape is called hexagon. Cube. This shape is called cube. Circle. This shape is called circle. Cone. This shape is called cone. Cylinder. This shape is called cylinder. Parallelogram. This shape is called parallelogram. Rectangle. This shape is called rectangle. Right triangle. This shape is called right triangle.